for young teams like this, no, you don't expect them to be as polished as their kuyas. But of course, I just say that.
What were you saying, Mr.
Di
Sanchez?
pala palad. Here, 3-0.
Meanwhile, Quezon City just answers right back.
Well, Huey Vergara, talagang perimeter-oriented na ang mga bata ngayon. So expect a lot more of those three-point attempts here in this ball game.
This way kanina, the big guy, Justin Timbol in the 16 and under match, no? I got low block again, yung post-up play with a big guy. Baka mamaya, baguhin nitong junior NPBL, yung future ng basketball bigla.
Back to the, post.
Flores, that was a good play, but Gimao was not ready for the pass. And here is Tendilia leaving everybody behind for that open layup. Fiber. Here he is, Tendilia.
All details in their training dahil ito ang isa sa magbibigay daan sa kanila to improve the on-game. Back to you guys.
Nothing but net on that three by Flores as
Yung sinabi ni Nicole, no, yung binanggit ni Coach Kelvin to his players, you have to enjoy the game because at this stage, they're only 14 and under to eh. So, of course, you want to teach them the game, you want to instill the love of the game sa kanila, pero if they're not gonna enjoy the game, and they're not gonna be receptive to the things that you're gonna teach.
That's right. And if we're not having fun, what's the point?
Exactly. See here. Good pass there.
Was that Steve Nash? Look at that pass. Pasok ni Flores nung last three niya, no, has ignited this QC squad. They've cut the lead down to 5. Score is 13-8. 3 minutes remaining in this first half.
And Tristan Teok towering over. Knocks out a guy like him because he's gonna get that ball because of his length.
Oh, Teok wasn't able to get it, and Flores gets the bucket plus the foul.
Stick-to-itiveness there. From Flores, no? Although the ball was already deflected, he could have just...
See what impact Vincent Salgado can bring here for his Quezon City team. Pull up three. Oh, bank is open at this hour of the night, of the evening. Isama mo na rin si Tyrese Tang. But yeah, Tyrese has been confirmed already. So Tyrese Tang is the son of our once king, mainly because of this guy, Tendilias, who scored several for Rizal. Pero here's Tristan Clo. So that's right. We are now in the second quarter of play. Just to clarify things, second quarter tayo and Rizal.
And that's a good.
Yes,
that's a good thing to do for our players.
Meanwhile, Rizal on the attack, offensive rebound once again. So dito mo makikita yung lack of cohesiveness nitong Quezon City, especially in the calling us baling it. And look at that, yung Pinoy step if you ever saw one.
Lefties do have an advantage in all sports, as I've read somewhere.
Yes.
Na may advantage sila for some reason.
Lalo na sa swimming.
Oh, really?
Mag-isip ka.
Breaststroke, isang kamay lang, no? Kaliwa lang.
See, no? But here's QZ now. Tang. Corner three is up and in for John Juan. Or check that for Rafael Cheng.
Good decision there by nowadays. No? Before, pag pinasa mo sa three-point area yung bola, pag may chance ka na mag-layup, talagang ibe-bench ka ng coach mo. But now, it's more accepted that you'd rather...
Middle and hitting that floater for Rizal. Cheng, good cut and strong move to our score ends as we see it again. Rafael Iago Cheng. Still Rizal switch fibers leading 26-20 versus Quezon City, and that was just a beautiful Steve Nash-like pass there by Tendi.
To be able to make it tougher para sa Rizal to score their baskets. And of course, as always, as I say something, the opposite happens.
Pass of Reliora.
Very unselfish.
Right. Oh, what a great dish by his teammate. Quezon City hitting
when things get a little intense, you always want to have that cool head on your shoulders. for you to be able to focus on the game at hand.
Meanwhile, Reliora just took that ball away. So back in the game is Rafael Cheng. And there is Flores. Bad news for Rizal if Tristan ahead to Jordan. Jordan, kick out, and Tan with the 3.
Although look now, it's just a 1-point lead para sa Rizal.
Fiber, the lead is only 1. Teok, and the second chance point is good, getting his own rebound. Nagpad lang ng stats, no? Si Teok.
Oo, siya na dyan.
May rebound na, and then the score.
I credit that basket as well to Alejandro, and he was able to find Teo cutting to the basket.
Speaking of stats, last layup converted by Quezon City was from Jordan Yang. And there is it. There it is, the corner 3 by Rafael Iago Cheng. Ooh. And trying to go coast to coast was Teo, and he does. Nakakuha ng bucket, may kasama pang foul. And there he is against
4.
all.
Yeah, against Quezon City.
Against by Quezon City, not being able to stop that dribble of the big drop and do a pass, no, instead of going up for the bucket. Teok to Abukot unleashes a 3 and hits the bottom of the net. It was partially blocked, no, by
It was
Jordan
partially
Yang.
blocked, but unfortunately the shot clock already went off. So regardless if it was touched or not, they didn't have any more time. Ganda naman ng spin move na yan.
Living up to his name and number, Jordan Yang.
Na talagang there are certain moves that you can do.
Yung ginagawa ni Trey Yang nang biglang pepreno,
Oo,
right?
di ba? Tapos syempre, walang choice yung referee kundi tumawag ng foul.
Pepreno then flop.
But being in the defense,
Is up by 6, 42 to 36, as we see some third quarter highlights. That beautiful jumper there and the 3 by Tan. And here is the coast to coast by Switch Fiber. Reliora drives, denied by C. And Jordan Yang all the way to the cup.
oh, that was a good move by Reliora. Kaya lang see.
As we start the fourth and final quarter. No? Here's Jordan once again. Good kick out to the corner 3, which was converted by Vergara.
Personally.
And meanwhile, Go Beng Hui, great job of boxing out Teok. Almost off balance and falling.
Which resulted in a turnover.
Tristan eludes 3 defenders and still knocks down that runner.
And they have to just settle down there because there's still 6 minutes left in this ballgame. It's a lot of time.
That was a bit lazy of a move by Flores, allowing the defender to just pick. Sorry miss on the lay-in.
Sorry, he missed indeed. He was in a good position to finish that layup, pero medyo na alanganin lang yung angulo niya.
And finishing in traffic against. And now they have a 3-point lead, 48-45, as we see Jason Tendilla, is eluding.
Still a 3-point lead. Sa Rizal, it's been a seesaw battle here in the fourth quarter.
Hinintay pa yung defender, but still, as we take a look at this, Reliora, hinintay pa talaga, tiningnan muna. Kung ikaw yung defender.
Kung ako yung defender, same result.
Nakascore din sa'yo.
Baka hindi ko pa naabot yung net. The only big man who's really been contributing consistently for at least this ball game is si Teo para sa Rizal.
5 to shoot for QC, and again.
But hindi pala.
Hindi pala. Basketball family rin naman yon. And meanwhile, Flores making his presence felt from the Quezon City fans. Sinubukan bawin ni Tendilla yung 3, hindi pumasok. Another try, and that falls for Riley Yu.
Rizal getting that lead back from Quezon City, and now steal. So 3 points na.
Yes.
Kalamangan ng Rizal.
Wow, 5-point swing. Make that a 7-point swing. And at this point,
other players need to help out in bringing the ball up, as we see here sa ating replay.
it started off with that 3 by De La Cruz, and then the steal,
By
the layup by
Tendilla.
Tendilla, and there was another Panay
And credit that to their defense, no? As mentioned earlier sa halftime report natin, Rizal is focusing on their defense and that's made life difficult para sa Quezon City. And the
Lalo nila Cruz.
good timing there para kay Flores, not giving up on the play.
Oh, Teo, 2 sorry misses, but he still
Speaking
got
of
them.
Speaking of not giving up on the play, Teok showing his...
Oh. Jacob Tendilla trying to elude Flores, and he does using that pick. What a play! Orchestrated. And we take a look at it again. Pound for pound fitness. Foul counted play
That's
by
a
Jacob
difficult shot.
Tendilla.
Tough shot.
Jordan Ying. Back to him. The ball fake, hanging in the air and making that shot. Once again, strong by Cheng. But they get it back and what a block by Tendilla
One
on
of the
Jordan
smallest
Ying.
players on the floor getting that block.
Yes. And finishing it off was Teok. And that is it. Rizal switch fibers getting the